TikTok Shop Profitability Calculator. A TikTok Shop Profitability Calculator is a powerful tool that helps sellers determine how much profit they can make from each product sold. It factors in all key financial elements such as product cost, selling price, platform fees, shipping expenses, and advertising costs to calculate your true net profit. By using a profitability calculator, sellers can make data-driven decisions, set accurate prices, and avoid unexpected losses. This tool provides clarity on your profit margins, allowing you to adjust your pricing strategy for maximum earnings. You can also use it to test different cost scenarios. For example, how changes in shipping or ad spend affect profitability. This helps sellers find a healthy balance between competitive pricing and sustainable profit margins, which is crucial for long-term success on TikTok Shop. Many sellers rely on Helium 10 as their go-to profitability calculator because it provides detailed financial breakdowns and real-time profit tracking. Helium 10's tools help sellers forecast earnings, monitor expenses, and compare margins across multiple products or campaigns. When paired with TikTok Shop Analytics, it gives you a complete financial overview so you can make smarter, more strategic selling decisions. You can start using Helium 10 for free right now by clicking the link in our description. It gives you instant access to all the tools you need to calculate profits and scale your TikTok shop like a pro.